So it's still snowing. This is May the 5th, 2021. Come out on a nice spring walk. The bluebells are just starting to come out. And right in the middle of a snowstorm. I don't think Copper really knows what to make of it. See if I can get a good shot of it against the dark river. Okay, that's all the snow. It's absolutely crazy. I think the path's going to be white by the time we get back. It's already starting to get white now. Oh, spring in Scotland. It actually really hurts. Oh mate, I cannot believe it. There's some hail mixed in with that. Copper, we're stuck. There's nowhere to hide. Quick, let's go under the trees. Copper, this is crazy. I'm so glad Daddy got his phone with him. So, look, bluebells, snow and hail. Oh man, it's so cold. Yeah, it's mostly hail now. Copper, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. There's a beech tree along here. Let's see if we can get underneath that. Oh, the gorse full of hail. I can't believe it's actually just getting harder. Copper's job is to find us some shelter, but he's more interested in going in the river. Not today, Cop. Here are the first bluebells and they're all covered in snow. And just like that, it's immediately ended. Like literally, it just stopped. As if I clicked my fingers and it completely stopped. Whew. That was intense. I think the birds don't really know what's going on. Here's some of the snow put in the crook of a tree and on the other side of the bank. This is so weird. I don't think I've ever been anywhere where it snowed in May. Oh, I forgot to say as well, but we didn't catch it on camera. There was a really nice little dipper, or actually it's bigger than a dipper. I don't know what bird it was. I'll try and identify it later and insert a screenshot. However, it had a small silver fish. I think it was a minnow or a stickleback in its mouth. And it caught it and then was on the rocks to eat it a bit, caught sight of us and flew off. So I'll try and ID that bird and put it in here. But this is one of the reasons I love this so much. There's so many different varieties of wildlife. Oh, Copper being goofy. He's one of the forms of wildlife. Unfortunately, although this is usually the area, there are no baby brown trout here, which is a bit of a disappointment. It's really deep over there, and then it's the shallows here, and then it gets a bit deeper further along, and this is usually the bit where you can stand and see them. But nope, no fish today. There's the upside down tree and the mini beach where we usually play with Copper. Bit too cold today. I don't really want him going in the river. He's already shaking himself off. That's the bank of the first bluebells, but I think they've probably been ruined a bit by that hail and snow. We'll have to come back next week when all the rest are out.